Okay, so in this video, I'll answer two commonly asked questions where people ask, is it possible to actually turn off the glowing Apple logo at the back of your MacBook, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, basically any MacBook with the glowing Apple logo at the back, and whether it actually wastes your battery life or not. This obviously doesn't apply to the newer generation MacBooks, as Apple got rid of this glowing logo and many other things. That's kind of sad because this was a nice touch to it. I mean, this glowing logo, it was a nice touch. People thought this was quite unique to the MacBook, but they did what they did. And I've done a separate video on 3 things that Apple got rid of in the new MacBook Pro and other MacBooks. So you can go check that out. The link's in the description, in the card above, and at the end of this video. Also, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to see more content from me. And now let's get into this video. Now, can you turn it off? I won't sugarcoat this or anything, and I'll just say no, you can't. And understanding why you can't requires you to know the basic structure of an LCD display. An LCD display gets its brightness from a strip of small LED bulbs that run the length along the whole panel. These LED bulbs light up the display as LCD panels don't produce their own light. If you owned a Game Boy or an MP3 player or an MP4 player from the early 2000s or 90s, you'll remember that you actually had to hold them to the light or to the sun for you to actually see the display. This was before LED bulbs were actually implemented into LCD panels for them to be lit up by the LEDs. This was way before that. So basically, this light emitting from the Apple logo, as you can see here, is just the same excess lighting from the back of your LCD panel as the back of the panel is actually semi-transparent. Here's an LCD panel for reference. Unfortunately, this one's broken, but as you can see, this is from where the light comes out. Around this plastic strip is actually transparent, and this silver is also somewhat transparent. And Apple thought that it would be neat to make use of this excess lighting by making a transparent logo for it to glow through. Now, other devices also other devices that use LCD panels also have this glowing lit up LCD panel at the back, such as these 2 iPads, in basically any iPad, Apple, watch, smartwatches, iPods, tablets, laptops. This is an old Toshiba laptop, but any device that uses an LCD panel in its display has this excess lighting. The only difference is that those companies chose not to put a glowing logo or something like that. Now, other companies have also done these glowing logos, as you can see here with these HP laptops, but those are actually dedicated lights which actually waste battery. Now, you can tell the difference from a dedicated light to a non-dedicated light when the device is turned off. The MacBook logo immediately turns off once the display goes off, but the HP ones tend to stay a bit longer after the display is off and until the motherboard actually turns off, proving that they are actually dedicated lights. Now, overall, this lighting thing does not apply to devices that have AMOLED, OLED and LED displays, as these panels produce their own light and don't have this excess lighting. Basically Samsungs and LGs and phones like that. So now, does this waste battery? No, it doesn't. Because the battery life will depend on the brightness setting you have actually chosen on your MacBook. Now I'll prove to you that this lighting is that the logo, lighting you see in the logo is exactly the same as the one in the display by increasing and decreasing the brightness on the display panel, as you can see there. Now I'll have a good look at the logo. I'll increase the brightness to full, and the logo also becomes really bright. Now I'll decrease the brightness to 0, and the logo also completely dims off. Now I'll increase it again, and it becomes bright. So that all depends on the brightness setting you have on your laptop. So it depends on your personal preference. My choice for optimum brightness is somewhere around here. That's my optimum setting, but that depends from person to person. So yeah, you can't turn it off, and there is no point in turning it off as it doesn't waste battery. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out my channel. I do a lot of reviews and unboxings on mainly budget tech. So subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and if you want to see more content from me. Also hit that like button. My goal is 50 likes for this video, and share it with your friends as well. And I hope to see you in my next video.